Good day, welcome to today's class. Today we're going to look at the concept of mathematics. The concept of mathematics. What is mathematics? Mathematics is the study of numbers, quantities, shape, structures, and relationship between them. It involves logical reasoning, problem solving, and abstraction. Now, the branches of mathematics. Maths has several branches. We have the arithmetic algebra, we have geometric calculus, we have statistics, topology, and number theory. Now, let's look at the application of mathematics. Maths is applied in science, engineering, economics, medicine, technology, obviously in our generation, environment, and social science. Now, look at why students are having challenges in mathematics. Why are students having phobia? Why are students afraid of mathematics? Now look at cognitive factors. This is from our research. Cognitive factors, abstract thinking, because mathematics is not something that is tangible. Numbers are not tangible. Symbols are not tangible. So math is abstract. Something is a figment of what? Imagination. Something that you imagine in your mind. You understand? It's abstract. It's not something that you can feel, as in this mark or this board. So math is abstract. And two, logical reasoning. You have to make it make sense. You must think to make what? Logical deduction. That's why sometimes students have what? Issues or phobia in mathematics, because it's abstract. It is what? Logic thinking, quantitative reasoning, qualitative reasoning, as we growing up in primary schools. We did quantitative and qualitative reasoning, manipulating numbers, looking at the trend, in solving a particular problem. Spatial reasoning or spatial reasoning. Visualizing what shapes and what patterns. Visualizing the shapes and patterns. Visualizing. It's not something that you can see with your eyes. Sometimes you'll be given a question in mathematics in theory form. You're the one to draw the equation, paint a picture of the equation in your mind. You can just look into the air and begin to reason, the equation. We're given equation pertaining to circuit theory or even math equation that involves diagrams. Sometimes you don't need to draw a diagram, just imagine a diagram in the air, begin to solve it. So this is what sometimes makes mathematics difficult for students. Yes. Now, working memory. Math problem requires holding information in what? In working memory. Math theories are what? Interconnected. Math theories and math solutions are like a build-up. The math doesn't have one theory, it has a lot of theories. So when given questions, you must think of what theories that relate to what? A particular problem. You might be solving. Maybe before you get to your final solution, you must make reference to another theory that is linked to that problem. So you must have what? A working memory. This is what makes math difficult for some students. Now, learning factors. We've talked about the cognitive factors. We're now looking at learning factors. Lack of what? Foundation. Weak understanding of what? Basic concepts. If your foundation is weak, you have a low upbringing in mathematics. As you advance, you'll be shaking. Just like when you're erecting a building, if your foundation is faulty, the building surely collapse in no time. So if someone has a weak foundation in mathematics, as the person advanced in mathematics and studying mathematics, there'll be a problem somewhere. And we also look at what gaps in education. For instance, now gaps in education implies giving students unnecessary promotion. For instance, a student will be in primary 1 and the student is not promoted to primary 5. There's a big lapse, there is a big vacuum and loophole in that student life. So if you know anyone that is promoting students anyhow, without caution, there'll be a problem. advise the person to desist from that, because you will end up harming the child academically. So gaps in education. Maths is a bit of no need to jump stages. If you jump stages, there'll be a vacuum that will make you to go back again to fill that vacuum. 3, pace. Maths instructor can be too fast or too slow. If your lecturer or teacher that teach you mathematics or that have taught you mathematics was too fast in teaching you, you won't understand. Why? Because maths involves assimilation, grabbing the concepts into your memory, not memorizing, grabbing it. If it's too fast, you cannot. Sometimes you will be scared of asking questions. Sometimes we are being plagued with this. Students will be in the classroom, teacher will be teaching them. The teacher is too fast or the teacher is too harsh. Students will be afraid, scared of asking questions. This will end up affecting them. Or the teacher is too slow, not able to cover up certain things, certain topics in mathematics, and the semester or the session is over, or the term is over, or the academic year is over. They will end up leaving the topic that to treat and move into a fresh topic the next academic year. You just leave it and move into the next one, because it's a fresh semester, it's a fresh term, it's a fresh year. So they have to follow the syllabus because of the way they are slow. So these are the challenges. These are the cause of the challenges that our students face in mathematics. Now, emotional factors. We have math anxiety, fear or discomfort with maths. When some students get about maths, they are scared. They are remembering their past failures, remembering what happened to them, their scores, how they were, flogged or queried or scolded at or beaten in class because of failure in mathematics. Because of that, some students will conclude that as for maths, I am done. I'm done with maths. Maths anxiety is what makes students, to be scared of maths. The challenges in maths anxiety. Now, 2, low confidence. Because of fear and anxiety, that confidence is low. Even if they know what to do, because of low confidence, they can even make blunders, simple blunders. You know what to do. You know the right theory to apply because of fear and low confidence. You won't be scared of making mistakes. You will be scared of making progress. Low confidence. Low confidence can make students to fail maths even if they know it. Low confidence can make students to make mistake while solving mathematics that they know. 3, fear of making mistakes and perfectionism. Nobody is perfect. Nobody knows it all. Even Professor Emeritus in mathematics don't know it all. The day you stop learning, that's the day you start dying. The whole world is full. It's a gallery of knowledge. No one knows it all. So we shouldn't be afraid to make certain mistakes. Sometimes it is good to make mistakes while learning than making that same mistake while writing an examination. So it's better you explore, move out of your comfort zone, encourage yourself, solve a lot of questions when you make mistakes. You take the correction and resolve that particular question again. Solve it again so that you'll be good at it. You get it? Make the mistake while you're studying, not in your examination hall. And nobody is perfect. 4, stereotype. Okay, stereotype threat. Believing math is only for a certain group. No, everybody is created equally. Don't relegate yourself. Don't look down on yourself. You are more than able. There is a poem that says that my deepest fear It's not that I am inadequate. My deepest fear is that I am powerful beyond measure. Tell yourself this word that I am powerful. Nobody can encourage you than yourself. When you encourage yourself and you still feel that vacuum that you are not up to, then go and study. Go and study. As you study, when you solve problems, when you understand, appreciate yourself. Don't expect people to clap for you. Don't expect the world to clap for you if you've not appreciated yourself. Appreciate yourself. As you do that over and over again, then your success become pronounced. Then others also will commend you. Appreciate yourself. Speak good of yourself. So don't believe that math is meant for only certain people in your class. No, it's for you as well. Now, environmental factors, teaching methods, ineffective or what, outdated what teaching. The world is advancing in technology, so we also have to what, advance in our teaching approach. That's why we have online classes now. Now, 2, resources, limited access to quality material or technology involved in what, in teaching. Like let me give you this instance of 3D diagrams, three-dimensional diagrams. For instance, we have spherical diagrams or spherical shape. It is possible to draw a square maybe on the wall, on the board. You understand? But to have a proper view of the spiral shapes, also 3D diagrams, it's important we make use of technologies like our systems, our laptops and computers. Even if possible in the internet, to give you a proper view of what, of diagrams and what shapes and what dimensions. Now, 3, peer influence. Still under environmental factors, peer influence. Negative attitudes from what, peers. Your peers shouldn't discourage you in learning mathematics. No one should make you feel that you're not up to in studying mathematics. No one should make you feel that you are not adequate in this particular field called mathematics. You are more than able. What you have to do is just to sit down, sit up, study. Sit down and concentrate, focus. As you practice mathematics over time, as you study over time, it begins to what, flow, it begins to show forth. So don't desire to become a grandmaster over time. You have to what, take it step by step, step by what, step. And as you do so, when you see that you're improving, appreciate yourself. All right, strategies to overcome difficulties in the study of mathematics. 1, break problem into smaller steps. Break problem into smaller steps. 2, use visual aids and real-world examples. 3, practice consistently. Consistency is the key. Keep on what, practicing. 4, seek help from teachers, tutors, and what, or online what, resources. If you cannot do it on your own, look for what, for help. The faster you go for help, the faster you what, you study. The lesser you what, you'll be limited. So feel free to explore the world around you. Feel free to explore, ask questions, ask for help. You see that what you improve. No one knows it all. Remember, no one knows it all. 5, develop problem solving strategies. 6, build confidence through success. Build confidence. Confidence cannot be attained over time. Confidence is what, is something obtained bit by bit as you study. As you study, you improve, you observe it, appreciate yourself. As you appreciate yourself, you are gaining what, confidence. 7, emphasize understanding over what, memorization. Try to understand maths, don't memorize maths. Don't memorize math. Understand concepts in mathematics. Look for understanding, don't look for pattern. So this how I do, this how I know. Look for understanding why. Ask the why problem. Why is it like this? By so doing, you become good at maths. I believe this short exposition will help you to become a better student in mathematics. All the best. See you. Bye.